Hi everyone, welcome to my channel KBW Quiz. This video is about email marketing. This video we have learned what is the email marketing and how does it works. Number 2 is what's the best email marketing process to fast grow your audience. And the last one is the best ways to collect thousands of emails. If you really enjoying my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for educational content like this. Thank you. Let's start the video. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a marketing strategy that uses is to promote your business, product or services. It can help to make sure your customers aware of your latest items that you offering. It is a way of delivering effective messages to convert leads into sales by sending personalized emails to targeted customers. It also helps us to educate our target customers on the value of our product. Email marketing is when you send targeted messages and promotional content to new or future customers by email. It is a powerful digital marketing strategy that allows businesses to communicate directly with their audience, build strong relationships with customers, nurture leads, and sell their products and services. Here's what email marketing often looks like for different business types. Email is useful for e-commerce businesses. Email marketing lets you sell products, recover abandoned carts, and increase lifetime value. The next one is that small businesses owners can use email marketing to maintain brand awareness and build relationships over a time. Another uses of emails for SaaS companies. Email marketing is an ideal channel for generating leads and converting leads or free trial users into new customers. Bloggers and publishers also use email marketing to drive traffic to their websites and affiliate links, which means more revenue. The last one is that enterprises clients can scale their email marketing plan to reach thousands or even millions of customers at once. Before we get too far into the details and strategies, let's go over some basic email marketing terms you should know. This email terms is fully explained in PDF file. Link is in description. Go for the next one is most important topic of email marketing. How to do email marketing successfully. 4 steps. Number 1 is define your goals. Before you spend money on an email marketing tool or type out that first email, you must identify your goals. Email marketing isn't just something to do because we say so. You need to figure out what you want to achieve. An easy way to think about this question is, what do you want to sell through email? In other words, how do you plan to earn money with email marketing? For example, if you're an online store or service provider, you want to sell products and services to your email marketing list. For bloggers and content creators, what you're selling is content. You might charge readers directly for content, as in a membership site, or sell advertising and affiliate links. You can use email marketing to drive traffic back to your blog. Last one is you also need to consider what your audience wants. Ask yourself, Number 2 is choose an email service provider. The first thing you need is an email service provider. An ESP will provide the tools you need to create, send, and manage email campaigns to your audience. Choosing the right email marketing software with the features you need can keep costs manageable. We'll go over some cost-effective options for email marketing software below. The number 1 software is Constant Contact. Best email service provider for small businesses. Want to boost your email marketing efforts? Look no further than Constant Contact. With its user-friendly and powerful features, Constant Contact helps small businesses engage their audience. Some other email service provider is given below. Number 2 is Brevo. Brevo is best marketing automation creator for small businesses. Take your email marketing to new heights with Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue. This versatile email service provider offers an all-in-one solution for small businesses. With Brevo, you can create beautiful email and SMS campaigns, segment your audience, and track your results with ease. Number 3 is HubSpot. HubSpot offers a comprehensive suite of marketing tools to help small businesses grow their audience and drive conversions. You also have access to HubSpot's CRM. This makes HubSpot a great choice for B2B and service-based businesses that have a longer sales process. Number 4 is Omnisend. Looking for an email service provider that understands the needs of e-commerce businesses? Omnisend has got you covered. Omnisend helps you create email campaigns, push notifications, and SMS messages that drive sales. Number 5 is Drip. Drip is for best email service provider for e-commerce store owners. Number 6 is ConvertKit. Built specifically for bloggers and creatives, ConvertKit makes it easy to build and nurture your audience. With its intuitive interface and powerful automation capabilities, ConvertKit helps you deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. You can even use ConvertKit to sell simple digital products straight from the ESP dashboard. Number 7 is MailerLite. Elevate your email marketing game with MailerLite. This user-friendly email service provider helps small businesses start using email marketing fast. They have a generous free plan and their paid upgrades are affordable. With its drag-and-drop editor and automation tools, MailerLite makes it easy to connect with your audience and drive conversions. The last one is MailChimp. Looking for a trusted name in email marketing? MailChimp has been a go-to email service provider for small businesses for years. MailChimp allows you to create email campaigns, automate your marketing efforts, and analyze your results. Step number 3 is create an option form to build your email list. An option form is the place where visitors can subscribe to your email list. Option forms are also known as sign-up forms or lead generation forms. There are lots of different styles of forms, including. Don't underestimate the power of a well-designed option form. After all, this is the gateway to your most powerful marketing channel. We've put together a full option form checklist to make sure you don't miss anything. Last step of email marketing. Track email marketing metrics. After sending your email, track and analyze key email metrics such as open rate. How many subscribers opened the email? Click-through rates. How many subscribers clicked links in the email? Conversion rate. How many subscribers made a purchase, filled out a form, or did some other conversion you want to track? Unsubscribe rates. How many subscribers unsubscribed from an email? Deliverability rate. How many subscribers received your email in their main inbox? Use this data to refine your future email campaigns and optimize your strategies.